Ahem! Court is in session. If there are any complaints to be had, speak now or forever hold your peace. Wait, no, that's weddings. All the same, any complaints from anyone in this room? Outside of our lovely juror, of course. Excellent. Speaking of our lovely juror, they stand trial for... Let's see here. Ha! Oh, my. Aren't you a hit in the criminal underworld? Perhaps I should throw you back down there with those feral dogs and see how well you fare. Have I too committed crimes? In the eyes of the law, yes. But while laws are all we have to separate us from the vile animal kingdom outside these walls, the law is not always just. So, in that case, I must be. I am the judge. I am the jury. I am the executioner. I can fill the shoes of all these roles quite well when they needed be. Please keep this in mind throughout the duration of the trial. A kangaroo court this may be, but a court nonetheless. Let's discuss the most obscene crime that you've committed, the crime whose vileness and vitriol permeates this entire courtroom. Stealing my heart. Oh, sure, laugh it up now, but understand what you have done, and understand what you are doing to me. Call me Brutus because my name means heavy, as they say. I am the law. I am justice. This city carries with it so many ills. A vast criminal underworld, corrupt cops, so much stealing from the poor and destitute, allowing the rich to wallow in a luxury mankind has never known before. I have a remarkable gift, but a terrible burden. I must judge them all. After all, who else could? How of the societal ills I know of that blacken my heart slip under the radar of the law? And so, I must take it into my own hands. I must hold that balanced scale and swing the sword and become justice herself. These scales must remain even, and yet they slant. They slant in your favor for no reason. No good reason, that is. How can I myself judge the scum of this town when I am so partial to a dirty common thief? Quite simply, I can't. I cannot. I can no longer be unbiased. I can no longer trust my own mind and my own heart. They once gave me the answers, and now they are only filled with you. I am corrupted, tainted, broken. You have never touched me, and yet you have ruined me. What do you have to say for yourself? Ah, you, a victim of circumstance, filled with the endless pain of being and scorched by the sun as you had to slog through God's green earth to become the figure you are today. And yet, I can only ask one question of you. How do you plead? How foolish of you to say such a thing. However, I'm sure you knew at the end of the day that no answer from you would win the favor of any of the steely eyes in this courtroom, so maybe this makes you a smart man anyhow. However, I am the law. I am justice. I am the only one who could carry out the justice, the just desserts the city needs in order to clean up its act. And I don't value the smart, dear, the same way I don't value the strong, the sweet, the kind, or the social butterflies. I value the right, and I only value those who are right. And you, my dear, cannot be any more wrong.